This video is made by BubbleUp.
In this video, I'm going to show you a super fast strategy for location scouting and cataloging epic Instagram spots in New York City. Let's get to it. This is the next organization hack, okay? I'm at Ladies Pavilion in Central Park going for a run now. This is an awesome spot to take photographs. Instagram husbands out there or girls who are looking for that Instagram husband, this is a really interesting way to get together to help out the Instagram account. Okay, so basically BubbleUp has these group folders. You set up a group folder and then the two of you are in it. Inside of that group folder is the ability to go right to a camera. I love this. So I created a folder called Instagram Husband. I invited her to it. Val can see everything that's in there as well and comment on all the stuff. So what do? I go in there, I run around and I see these really cool spots that are worth taking a photograph of. And I'm like, I bet she'd like that. So I go into the BubbleUp folder, I hit the camera button that's built right into it, snap the photo, take the video, show her like what I think is gonna look good, and then hit save. And that's it. It saves in there, you upload it, and then you can add your title and description to it. So I might say Ladies Pavilion or West Side of the Lake in Central Park, or I think you're really gonna love this. I might go into the comment thread and be like, at Lara Pichikova, I think this is a really good spot. Next time we're in Central Park, let's make sure we can capture this. Or this would look really good at high noon because the sun's right above us and it's gonna make the water glisten. Or maybe this is a sunset spot or something like that. Really slick idea. It's a way to like kind of come together for like if someone's really into the Instagram and taking photographs. It's a really cool way to come together and kind of work together at finding these cool locations. We just moved into New York City. There's a million locations that we're not even aware of. So we're always walking around and I'm like, that would be a cool spot for her. So then I snap that photo, put it up there, get a little bit of brownie points, and also I'm a part of the game. So my name is Wade Sellers. I'm the product marketing manager over at a company called BubbleUp, which is where you're seeing this YouTube channel. We basically create sexy cloud storage. You can stick it in there, you can comment on it, you can tag on it, you can collaborate on projects, all sorts of cool stuff. We're gonna make a YouTube channel all about organization, productivity, creativity hacks, and all the fun that goes around with it, and also plug our tool wherever it fits best. I'm Wade Sellers, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.